Welcome to the Fidelity Usability Lab at 10 Post Office Square in Boston. This is where we conduct usability tests of pre-release versions of new applications and also prototypes. The goal is to uncover and correct any usability problems before these applications are released. The basic approach is to bring representative users here into the lab and ask them to go through a set of realistic tasks, the types of tasks they would actually be doing on the job. As they're going through these tasks, some members of our staff are monitoring from the control room on the other side of this one-way glass. They're making note of any problems the user runs into, things about the applications that are confusing, or just cases where the user can't figure out what to do next. So let's go next door to the control room now. This is the control room for the usability lab. From here we can directly observe through the one-way glass. But for more detailed information, we also have two video cameras mounted in the ceiling of the test room. One in the corner that's useful for capturing the user's facial expressions, and one overhead that's useful for seeing what's happening on the keyboard or with any reference documentation. Finally, we can also directly capture the video signal from the user's computer. We then use a video mixer to determine what signals we actually record. Full screen on the computer like you see it now, full screen on the corner camera, or more commonly an inset of the user in the corner. After a usability test, we analyze the videotapes to identify the areas where the users had problems and then document these along with recommended solutions in a complete test report. We also commonly put together a highlights video summarizing the major points. That concludes this video tour of the usability lab. If you'd like more information or a personal tour of the lab, please call me, Tom Tullis, at 563-8795.